What's up, Credit Fam? You got Gary B. I'm the host of Thinking Credit, and you already know we talk about everything financial. Tonight, we're going to be talking about our favorite subject that we always bring every Sunday at 9 o'clock, mentally financial. We're going to talk about how mental health can ruin your body, ruin your spirit, ruin your family, all right, and ruin your life overall. So, with that being said, I want y'all to kick back, get you a little cognac, get you a little wine, smoke a cigar if you got one. Because tonight we're going to get into the nitty gritty of some things. So, if you have any mental health issues, please call somebody, please talk to somebody. That's what it's all about. And this financial stress doesn't need to make it any worse than it already is, all right? So, everybody out there in the sound of my voice, hey, kick back, and I'll be right back. I'm Gary B. Peace. What's up, Credit Fam? Hey, this your boy Gary B. Thank you for coming back and chilling with me. Hey, mental health is a very serious issue, y'all. And finances are a very serious issue. So I tried to mix the two by calling my show Mentally Financial because I deal with bipolar disorder and I deal with finances. So to me, that was the perfect mesh of putting things together. So I hope you can come in with me every Sunday at 9 o'clock, sit back and just listen to some of the tips, listen to some of the things I talk about, and hopefully you can take them and put them into your life to make things better for you and your family, okay? But tonight I want to talk about how does financial insecurity affect mental health? That's the question. Plus, what is the impact on our mental health? Okay? Many fear judgment for not being financially stable. So they choose to keep all of their worries to themselves. This can result in immense strain on someone's mental health. Some people ask, why do I feel financially insecure? Well, many people are financially insecure because they do not understand certain aspects of their finances. For example, or for instance, some are afraid to invest, so they avoid it altogether. Rather than letting a financial insecurity prevent you from succeeding, get educated on all things money. This can also make you feel inferior to someone else who may have their finances in order. But don't let that be a bother to you. We all have troubles in our lives, even people that have perfect credit and perfect finances. But hey, sit back and I will bring those tips to you. Welcome back, Credit Fam. Hey, today's tips come from Clever Girl Finance. They wrote an article about how to handle financial insecurities. So can y'all please give them a shout out and visit their website at www.clevergirlfinance.com. We're not in business together. We're not doing any referrals with each other. I just happened to come across their article and I thought that their 5 tips for how to beat your financial insecurity was really cool. So I don't want to be a plagiarizer or take any credit from anybody else. So I decided to just do the research. I seen these tips. I thought they was pretty cool and I wanted to give them to you. So if y'all visit their website, once again, www.clevergirlfinance.com. Hey, let them know that I sent you and I thought that their tips were very, very good for how to financially, beat your insecurities. And hey, we'll go from there. So let's get into tip number 1. Combat financial insecurity with positive affirmance. One of the most powerful ways to combat a financial insecurity is with positive affirmance. That means pretty much that, hey, you just have to rewire your brain to think different about money is what they're saying. So when you are thinking negative, you're going to have negative thoughts when it comes to money. But if you start thinking positive about your money and making it work for you, then things are going to get better, okay? Tip number 2, they said create short-term and long-term goals. I've already told y'all that if you ever heard any of my financial tips, daily tips or whatever, I always teach that. You got to put something short together, achieve it, then put that long one together and achieve it, and it will make you feel so much better inside. Sometimes you got to write these things down. You know what I'm saying? So all they're saying is if you create that, that would help you with your finances, when it comes to your insecurities. The next thing, get financially educated. I've always talked about that. You know what I'm saying? You have to stay financially educated. Financial education is something that you always got to stay on top of your game with. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people are only insecure because they don't understand their finances. You know, and that's one of my biggest pet peeves. That's why I became a financial coach. You know what I'm saying? Because I want people to know that their money is their money. Don't let the money rule you. You rule the money. It's pretty much what I'm talking about on that. Now, their next tip is take control of your finances. And that's self-explanatory. If, like I just said, if you heard me say, if you are allowing your finances to control you, then there's no help for you. Be honest with you. That's what I'm saying. Let that go. Start working on it. Control your money coming in. Control your money going out. Well, I'll take that back. Sometimes you can't control the money coming in because whatever job you get is what you get. But you can control what goes out because it's coming out of your pocket, okay? So things that they suggest, like I always do myself, make a budget, use a spending journal, and automate your finances. So they feel that, hey, if you create that budget, you see where your money is going. If you create a spending journal, come on now, you're writing everything down that you do. So now you can always go back and see where it went. Then the automated part of it is set up those accounts with that $50 going here or $25 going there to pay that bill and pay that bill or whatever. So you ain't got to think about it. Let the automation do it itself. Now you got to make sure the money is in there, but let the automation do it for you, okay? And number 5, celebrate your financial wins. You know that when you pay that big purchase off, when you buy that house and you pay for it, or you buy that car or that truck or that vehicle that you love so much and you pay it off, don't that feel good? You know what I'm saying? It makes your mental psyche better. It makes your life a lot better. You got that extra money that you can invest, put into your bank. Now, I was a big person of savings. You know, that was my big thing. But I am considering a lot of other things now that I have learned, from becoming a financial advisor and a financial coach, that some investing in your future is just a big deal. Because I don't know if you know this, Social Security might go away in 2030 or, whatever. 401ks might go away. So you have to start thinking about other things and other ways that you can increase your income and put your money into that's going to bring you back dividends to make you live a little bit better. That's going to help you mentally. That's going to help bring that stress level down, okay? Now, if you want to hear what are some of the best type of savings accounts to get into and things like that, you need to keep tuning in. Email me. Ask me questions. You know what I'm saying? You can always find me at gbroanejrfinancial.com. That's my email. Hey, it will be down in the comment box. It will be in the show notes. So send me your questions. I'll do the research for you. Like I said, if I don't know the answer, I'm always researching. I'm going to read other people's articles. I'm going to the different websites that has this information for you. I know that we're very busy people, but this is what I do all day. It's my job. So if you want me to do it, send the stuff to me. And all of you that are suffering from mental health issues like myself, please take these tips into heart. Please get the help that you need. Take your medicine. You know what I'm saying? Do your reflections daily. You know what I'm saying? Pray to whoever you pray to and just hang in there. I'm telling you, it's not easy, but it ain't hard. I've been dealing with this since I was 18 years old and I'm 53 right now. You know what I'm saying? I'll be 54 this year if God blesses me to see December. So with that being said, all I'm saying to you is let's do this together. Let's do this as a team, as a family. That's why you always hear me say credit fam. That's my go-to tag. You know what I'm saying? My hashtag is credit fam. Okay? So, hey, if you want to be part of this family, if you want some help and you taking this very serious, I'm here for you. You know what I'm saying? So sit back, listen to these tips. I hope these tips help you. They're coming every Sunday at 9 o'clock, y'all. So I want y'all to check me out, all right? And I just want to say thank you for listening. Thank you for being there for me, and I hope this helps you. Once again, before we go, I want to say thank you to Clever Girl Finance for putting these tips together. I think they was very well put out. The information that y'all provide the ladies of this world is very good. So I want to say I would love to support anything you do, and I will support anything you do. And like I said, I'm not trying to steal your work. I'm giving you all the credit in the world for what y'all did. And people, if y'all hear me, like I said, visit clevergirlfinance.com. Tell them Gary Roane sent you. Hey, we in this thing together to build everybody's finances. And I'm loving what they're doing. So y'all check them out, all right? Hey, this is Gary B. I want to say one more time, hey, please come back next Sunday. And let's do this thing every Sunday at 9 o'clock and keep each other company. And I'll see you next week. God bless. I want to thank you for checking out this episode. Keep following me for all the latest financial information. You can follow and subscribe to Applecast, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Amazon Music, and Stretch, and all the podcast networks out there. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box. I'm your man, Gary B. Like I always say, I do the research. You just got to follow. Yeah.